Hello students, good morning to all. I hope all of you are fit and fine. You better be safe and in home. Okay, so today we are going to start your new chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. So let's see. So what we will study today? We will study about the factors and multiples. Okay, then how to use these factors and multiples. Okay, some facts about these factors and multiples and that prime and composite numbers. So let's see. So this is factors and multiples. What is factor? What is multiple? Let's see. So you have studied about multiplication, division. So factors and multiples are related to multiplication and division. So look at here, 4 is what? 4 into 1. 4 equal to 2 into 2. 4 equal to 1 equal to 4. Okay. So if we'll divide 4 by 1, what we'll get? 1 4 ja 4. So what you will get? 0. So it is exactly dividing. Then if we'll divide 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4. What you are getting? 0. Then 4 1 ja 4. 0. But if we are dividing 3 1 ja 3. What we are getting? 1. So these are what? This is our. So what we are getting? Remainder 1. Then here, but in these three cases, what we are getting? Remainder is 0. Means these 1, 2, 4 are exact divisor. Okay. These are exact divisor. Okay. Here 2 is divisor, here 4 is divisor. But 3 is not exact divisor. 3 is divisor, but it is not exact. Okay, because here we are getting remainder 1. But where we will get remainder 0, that is the exact divisor. So what 4 is called? We will again rewind the the statements or the terms in division. So 3 is divisor, this portion is divisor, this is dividend, and this is your quotient. Okay, and this is remainder. In division, this one is, first one is dividend, then what you are dividing, that is dividend. Jahaku divide korcho ta kon koibo? Dividend. What you are using to divide, okay, jaha dwara divide korcho, that is divisor. And quotient and remainder. So look, which one is called exact divisor? Where you got 0 as a remainder, and where you do not get remainder as 0, that is not exact divisor. So here 1, 2, 4 are exact divisor of 4. Is 3 exact divisor of 4? Look, is with 3 we are getting 0 remainder? No. So that's why 3 is not the exact divisor. Okay. So this is about divisor. So these exact divisors are known as factors. So 1, 2, 4, which are exact divisor of 4, are known as factors of 4. So what is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So what we had on? Exact divisor of that number. So the factors of 4 is how much? 1, 2 and 4. So these are 1, 2, 4 are exact divisor of this number. So like that we can find out exact divisor of 12 means factors of 12. So for factors of 12, look at here. How we can find? We can divide 12 by 1. What we are getting? 1 12 ja 12. 0. Then divide 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. We are getting 0. Means 1 is exact divisor, 2 is exact divisor. Next we will do 3. 3 4 are 12. So what we are getting? 0. So the 3 is exact divisor. Next we will divide 12 by 4. 4 3 are 12. Getting 0. If we can divide 5, if I divide 5, then 12, how much? 5 2 are 10. Then we are getting 2. So 5 is not an exact divider. 6, 12. 6 2 are 12. What we are getting? 0. Next 7 we can't do. Then you see 7 you can do 8, 9, 10, 11. Last one is what? 12. So 12 can be divided by 12. 12 1 are 12. What we are getting? 0. So what are the exact divisor of 12? Those are the factors of 12. So factors of 12 equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Like that you can find out the factors of 36. Okay. So like that you will find out factors of 36 which can be the exact divisor of 36. Those are the factors of 36. Like that. So 36 can be divided. So first you divide by 1. 1 36 31 into 36. 36 0. Then 2. 2 1 ja 2. Then 16 to 18 ja 36. Next, then 36 divided by 3, what we are getting? When we are dividing 36 divided by 3, what we are getting? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. How much? 12. So 3 is also completely divided. Then 4. 4 9 ja 36. Then 5 is also not divided. 6. 6 6 ja 36. Like that. Here 6 6 ja. Then what you can do? 9 4 ja you can divide 9. After that 9. 9 4 ja 36. Then 12 you will divide by 12. 12 3 ja 36. Then 18 2 ja 36. Then 36. 36 divided by 36. 36 1 ja 36. Like that you can find out the exact divisor of 36, and those are the factors of 36. So factors of 36 is how much? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So when you will find the first half numbers, factors, then you can find out the second half numbers. So these are the factors of 36. So let's see. So what is one fact given? The factors are always less than or equal to given number. So look at here. Always factors are less than or equal to given number. Here 36. The highest factor is 36. That means biggest or greatest factor is 36 and smallest factor is 1. So all those are smaller than, except 36, all are smaller than 36. Next, in factors of 12 also you can see that the greatest factor is 12 itself and others are less than 12. So this is about factors. Next we'll see multiples. Multiples came from the word multiplication. Okay. So what is multiples? If we say that 4 and 5 are factors of 20, then 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. So when we are multiplying 5 and 4, what we are getting? 20. So 20 is the multiple of 5, 20 is the multiple of 4. And 4 is the factor of 20, 5 is the factor of 20. So when we are multiplying, what you are getting the product, that if I am multiplying 3 into 4, what product I am getting? 12. So that product is multiple of these numbers which are multiplied. तो जहाँ को तुम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करूछ तार प्रोडक्ट टा कौन होउछ तमरो मल्टीपल्स, बट जहाँ को मल्टीप्लाई करूछ दोज आर फैक्टर्स. So let's see, you can find out multiples of any number, like multiples of 9. So 9 into 1, 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45. Like that it will go on. Okay, whatever you will multiply to which number, you will get the multiples. So there are so many multiples. Okay, because so many numbers are there, and you can indefinite numbers, so you can find infinite number of infinite numbers are there, so you can find out the infinite number of multiples. So this is about multiples. So you can find out the 10 multiples of 100. So 100 1 ja 100 first multiple, then 100 2 ja 200, 100 3 ja 300, 104 ja 400, 105 ja 500, 106 ja 600, 107 ja 700, 108 ja 800, 109 ja 900, 110 ja 1000, 100 into 11, 1100, 100 into 12, 1200, 100 into 13, 1300. Like that it will go on. So multiples are what? Multiples like that you can make by multiplying whatever you are getting, you will get the multiples of the number. Okay, so multiples are always more than or equal to the given number. Look at here, multiples are always more than. Here 9 is equal to the 9, but others are more than. But in factor we have what we have seen, it is always equal to, factors are always equal to or less than the number, but here multiples are always more than and equal to or equal to that given number. Here also you can see 100 is equal to 100 and rest multiples are more than. Okay, more than 100. Let's see some facts about factors and multiples. So here you are seeing some facts about factors and multiples. Look at here, 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, so 1 is the factor of every number. You have seen in 4, what is the 1 2 4. So 1 is the factor. Okay, 1 is the factor because 1 can be divided by any number. Okay, so any number like 200, 300, 484, any number you can see that can be divided by 1. So that's why 1 is the factor of every number. Next, number 2, every number is a factor of itself. So you have seen for 4 can be divided by 4. For 2 can be divided by 2. 100 can be divided by 100. 1300, this one also can be divided by 1300. 484 divided by 484. The number, every number can be divided by the same number. So number को तमे same number रे divide कर पारियो. That's why the every number is a factor of itself. So 4 is the factor of 4, 2 is the factor of 2, 100 is the factor of 100, 1300 is the factor of 1300, 484 is the factor of 484. Any number you can write like 1 3 5 4 7 5 7 8. Okay, that is how much? That is 13 lakh, sorry, 1,34,578. So this can be the factor of, this is the factor of itself. Okay, so this is about, so 1 is factor of every number is a factor of itself. Next is, every factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. Okay, so you have studied. So in the definition of factor, what we have written, that factor is the exact divisor of that number. So every factor is a exact divisor of that number. Exact divisor means what? Remainder is always 0. When you are dividing with that number, you are getting the remainder 0. That time, that is the exact divisor. Next, number of factors of a given number are finite. Okay, finite means what? Limited. Okay, like 4. How much you are getting? 1, 2, 4. Okay, 12. For 12, for factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So this was not more than 12, not more than 4. So here always it is limited. Okay, you can't go more than, yathru adhika hei pariboni. Okay, that's why it is finite. Finite means what? Limited. Okay, so finite means limited, means not unlimited. So number of factors of a given are finite. Finite means what? It is always limited. Okay, limited number. Like it, factors of 4, how many numbers of factors are there for 4? 3 numbers. How many numbers of factors are there for 12? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of factors. Means 6 factors are there for 12. 3 factors are there for 4. For 2, 1, 2. Only 2 factors are there. Okay, so that's why it is finite. Next fact is what? Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. That's why we have seen. So every factor is what? Less than or equal to the given number. For 4, factors of 4 are what? 1, 2, 4. Factors of 12 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So always it is less than, okay, or equal to that the given number. So factors are always, factors कौन हुए? सबने less than, less रुहे number ठारो और equal to the same number रुहे. Okay, next, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. That one we have seen. If I'll find out the multiples of 4, how much? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like this it will go on. It is always equal to that number or more than or greater than this number. So look at here, multiples. Multiple of 4 is, 1 is 4, which is equal to 4, and others are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like that it will go on. It is always more than 4. Like that, for any number you can find the multiple is always equal to or greater than. Okay, next is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. So look here, multiples, number of multiples is always infinite. Like the same thing, you got 4, multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, okay, 52, 56, like that it will go on. Whatever you are multiplying, 4 into 100 also 400, 4 into 1000 into 4000, 4 into lakh into 4 lakh, 4 into crore equal to 4 crore. Like that it will go indefinitely. Okay, it is always means unlimited, means it is infinite. It will go on. It will never end. Eta gudi sorry boni. Okay, that's why the number of multiples of a given number is always infinite. Okay, next is what? Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, look at here. 4 is the multiple of itself because you are multiplying into 1. 6 is multiple of 6. 7 is multiple of 7. Okay, 100 is multiple of 100. So every number is a multiple of itself. Next is what? Perfect number. What is perfect number? A number for which the sum of all its factor is equal to the twice the number of number is called perfect number. Means a number where you will sum, means you will add all the factors. After that sum is equal to twice of this number. Okay, then it is what? That number is perfect number. Let's see some example. 6. Okay, so we'll find out the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Add these factors. What you are getting? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 6, 12. So sum of factor is how much? 12. Is 12 is the twice of 6? Twice means what? Double. Okay, means 6 into 2 equal to how much? 12. So the sum of factor is twice of 6. That's why 6 is what? 6 is a perfect number. Let's see other example. 28. The factors of 28 is how much? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Okay, add it. What you are getting? After adding these factors, what you are getting? Yaku add kala pore you are getting 56. So this 56 is the twice of what? 28. 56, 28 row double. How will see? 28 into 2 how much? 8 2 is 16, 6. 2 2 is 4, 5. So 28 is also an perfect number. Also a perfect number. Like that for 496 also these are the factors. And if you are adding the factors, what you are getting? 992. And 992 is the twice or double of 496. That's why 496 is a perfect number. Let's check. Is 10 a perfect number? Let's check. So first what we'll do? We'll find out the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10. So 4 factors. Next we'll add these factors. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10. How much you are getting? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 5. 8. 8 plus 10. 18. Is 18 twice of 10? We'll find out. 18 divided by 10. 10 1 ja 10. So it is not 10 2 ja how much? 20. 20 is the twice of 10. But 18 is not twice of 10. Okay. That's why 10 is not a perfect number. So our perfect number are 6, 28, 496. Okay. So 10 is not perfect number. So for find out perfect number, is it perfect number or not? We have to find out the factors. First to find out factors, then add the factors. Then the sum, you check if that sum is the perfect number of that number. ये sum जो पहला factor हो तार सेटा यारो twice की नुहो. Here 18 is not the twice of 10. That's why 10 is not a perfect number. So this is about today's class. Okay. So we have studied about the factors. What is factor? Then we have studied what is multiple and different facts about multiple and factor. Then this is perfect number. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.